Hashtag thought of the day. Hashtag Corgi wisdom. Hashtag Corgi. Illiteracy is hilarious. Amy Sedaris. Trees cover up a multitude of sins. Bob Ross. Men aren't necessities, they're luxuries. Cher. Christmas is a good excuse to eat everything. Danny DeVito. Folks always look good in their coffins. Elvis Presley. Little boys have amazing minds. Ferdinand Marcos. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm damn well gonna do it. Jerry Halliwell. The force is within you. Force yourself. Harrison Ford. There's no sex in Middle-earth. Ian McKellen. There are no explanations. There are no answers. Jessica Lange. It's okay to eat fish because they don't have feelings. Kurt Cobain. I'm very hungry. GaGa. I don't know her. Mariah Carey. Maybe your weird is my normal. Who's to say? Nicki Minaj. John Travolta. Oprah Winfrey. Natural beauty takes at least 2 hours in front of the mirror. Pamela Anderson. I don't eat bad food. Queen Latifah. Gentiles are people who eat mayonnaise for no reason. Robin Williams. A day without sunshine is like, night. Steve Martin. Make it work. Done. I squeeze oranges every morning to make juice. Dada Hikaru. I want a big house with a moat and dragons and a fort to keep people out. Victor Rebecca.
Kiss my ass!
Whitney Houston. All men begin with their learning with Homer. Xenophanes. Endangered species are our friends. Yao Ming. Food is everything. Zach Posen.
Oi, oi.